Hey guys, so this is take two. I thought I was recording earlier, but I wasn't. So I was just showing you guys this package I got, complimentary of Influenster and the brand Salon Perfect. This is the Slick at Home Microwaving Waxing Kit. Inside of it, it had the acai berry hard wax beads for face and body. So this is the acai berry hard wax beads right here. And then the instructions, and then the little melting cup, and it has Slick on it, and the applicator, and on the side a bigger tub of hard wax. This one is Dream Clouds Cotton Candy Scented, and I'm so excited to try both scent. I know I was getting this, so I've been holding off waxing, but I can't wait to do this right now. I've been waxing for a couple years now. I definitely prefer hard wax. So in the instruction, it does say for you to microwave the wax in 45 seconds increments. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm going to use the cotton candy one. Okay, so this is how much I have in here. Pretty decent amount. 45 seconds in increments was not working for me. I did it twice, and after that I was over it. So I did microwave this for like 20 minutes, 20 additional minutes, and it finally starting to cool down, and it's not as runny as it was. And you guys, make sure you read the instructions, especially if you are a beginner. I did notice number 7, it says apply slick soothe post wax lavender oil to the skin to soothe, condition, and remove excess wax. But like, it didn't come with pre-wax or post-wax. So if you are purchasing this, I would say also make sure you purchase the pre-wax and post-wax. I'm assuming they sell them separately. I'm okay with that because I do have my own pre-wax and post-wax. I did apply the pre-wax while this was microwaving, and I'll apply the post-wax of course afterwards. So I think it's cool enough for me, so I'm gonna just apply it right now. Okay, let's peel it off now. Okay, so that's how much we got off. We're gonna do it again. Okay. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this one. I'm gonna apply my post wax to get the remainder of the wax off, and then I'm gonna do this one off camera. It's literally the same thing, and then I'll be back for my final thoughts. Okay, final thoughts. The beads. 10/10 would recommend. You guys saw I went with the cotton candy scented one, and I did use a good amount, and this is how much I have left. This is a 16-ounce container, so you do get a pretty good amount in here. And the acai berry one is 4 ounce. Now if you are sensitive to smell, this is very faint. I barely smelled the cotton candy. I mainly smell just the smell of just wax. So you know, that's that. I wouldn't mind if it was heavily fragrance, but I understand, you know, some people might be sensitive to scent. But yeah, but compared to all the other wax I've used, this is definitely my favorite. I remember when I first started waxing, I tried sheets and soft wax. Never again. Hard wax is definitely the way to go, and from all the other hard wax that I've used, this one is definitely my favorite. It was very gentle, easy to apply, easy to remove. I didn't feel no pain at all, but I do have a pretty high pain tolerance. But from all the other ones, I would say this is my favorite. I have just a little bit left of the other brand that I was using. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna just pour this in my warmer, and once I'm done with these two, definitely would repurchase because I really like this wax. Now the little container, I really do like the fact that it's very easy to clean. All you have to do is as the wax dry, you just peel it. Now it's super dry, now it's kind of crunchy. You peel it, and then you could just remove it This is the remainder wax that I didn't use. And then this is it right here. And then you just, you know, wash this. And same thing with the spatula. I just peeled the wax that was left on here, and I'm just gonna wash them after that. I usually use the wooden spatula, and I'll just throw those away. But this being, you know, silicone, it's very easy. The only thing with the little cup is that I had to keep putting it back in the microwave to warm it up, because the wax started to dry a little bit. But again, I do have a warmer, so that's not really a big issue. But yeah, I really do like this. Definitely try it out if you guys are interested. Let me show you guys my armpits. Hold on. Okay, this is the final look of my armpits. Yeah, bye.